Hi, I have fallen down the organization wormhole of YouTube. I have been watching so many organizational videos, it is insane. And they're so inspiring and I am just absolutely inspired. But in general, I keep a very kind of clean and organized space. I don't have a lot of clutter or anything like that just because personally, I'm not somebody who kind of holds on to things except for clothing. I have so much clothes. Not like so much, but for my situation and my space, I have way too much clothes. I have so much that I don't even wear. I've been looking into also the environmental impacts of clothing and responsible consumption and everything of clothing. So that's also going to be an element that is going to tie into this video because there was so much I didn't even know by consistently buying new clothes and not really disposing of old ones properly or at all, how it can actually be harming the environment. In short, I want to organize my closet today and it's a beautiful day outside, absolutely gorgeous. Like I'm not even using my light or anything. I'm just letting as much natural sunlight come in as possible because it is the first time in 7 days that there is even sunlight outside. I just want to kind of sit down and just have a nice little sit back casual video, go through my closet. This is going to be a two-part video, by the way. The first part is going to be my clothes. The second part is going to be my shoes and kind of other things in my closet. And then at the end of the second part, I'm going to reveal my finished minimalistic closet. So if you want to already, make sure to go down there and hit that subscribe button to see the second part of this. My closet is behind these two doors and it's not really like a huge closet. It's definitely not like a walk-in or anything like that, but it's perfect for me. So this is my closet situation. It is ugly. When I moved here, I tried to have some organization to it. I wanted to use this rack for tops, this rack for pants, and then this bottom rack I didn't even have any clothes on, and down here was the area for my shoes. But I've grown, I haven't really gotten rid of anything since I've moved here, so slowly I've just outgrown this closet. With the clothes that I get rid of today, I'm going to be doing a mix of recycling them, donating them, and personally just giving them to friends and family who want them, so none of this is going to landfill. Please, 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 if you are getting rid of clothes, if this inspires you in any way, do not put them in landfill because making textiles is super wasteful as is, so the less new textiles that are manufactured, the better it is for the environment, and if you just put them in landfill, that stops them from being able to be recycled and reused again. I don't want to film in front of my closet because I don't want to scar you. This first one is just a corduroy shirt from H&M. I like it. It fits me a lot better now than it did when I first got it, so that's really good. Video on that coming soon. So I'm gonna keep this. I will keep this. Yeah, I'll keep this. Oh my god, I don't know why I thought I would wear an orange flannel. This is literally like the ugliest thing ever, and I wore this a lot. Sorry, I'm getting rid of it. This, oh my god, this, I can't believe I still have this. I have not gotten rid of my clothes since I think my freshman year of high school, and I'm a sophomore in college now. Literally, I wore this so much and I washed it so much, it feels like gross and like grainy. Also, it's camo. Ugh, gross. Bye. Getting rid of this. Getting rid of this. Oh, this has an interesting story behind it. Can I even tell this story? I have like a close person in my life with mental health issues, and last minute they were actually admitted to a hospital, and so I like emergency had to go down and kind of do all of that. And so on my way down, I stopped at an American Eagle and picked up this shirt and some other ones. So I'm gonna keep this. Interesting sentimental value that it has to me. I'm gonna keep this. I have something similar to this that I'll probably end up getting rid of, but I'll keep that one. Oh, this is from Pendleton. It's super warm. I'm gonna keep this. Are we over denim jackets yet? I'm kind of not though. This still kind of works. I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep this, but I'm gonna put it in my drawer of leisure wear so that it's not taking up a hanger. Never really worn this. This was kind of when like holes in sweaters was a thing. I'm gonna get rid of it. This I got for like $2 on a clearance rack. Still love it. It's just a nice little flannel. I just kind of wear it over things on like light layer days or something. Definitely gonna keep. The last thing from that wrap is it's a black jean jacket, which I really wanted one for a while, and so I got this from Ross for like $12. It's nice, but it has like the weirdest smell to it. It won't go away, so unfortunately I'm going to get rid of it. I am losing motivation. I do not want to do this anymore. Also, the lighting changed, but I still don't feel like setting up my ring light, so we're just gonna roll with it. Ooh, definitely not. I'm gonna get rid of it. I'll keep this. This seems like good for summer. I'm gonna get rid of this. I don't like the way that it fits me. I am getting rid of this. This is so worn and tatted. It's just a long black jacket. I don't wear it. That's what I'm trying to think of this is like, if I don't wear it, like I'm trying to not necessarily think of like, oh, how much I paid for something. But if I just don't wear it, then I think I'm just gonna get rid of it because I just have to think I'm gonna be moving in a couple months and I don't want to take any of this with me. Oh, I'm gonna keep this. I like this. This looks good on me.
I don't want to take any of this with me.
This, I probably took the least flattering picture of myself ever in. I did an art gallery. I was one of the people who like put it on. It was for Teen Dating Violence Awareness Month. And so I decided to wear this for like the opening night. Ooh, I looked so bad in it, but also I was like 50 pounds heavier than I am now. So bye. If you hear my neighbors out there, that's fine. I've never even been to the Rocky Mountain National Park, so I'm gonna get rid of this. I'll keep this. This is just a white jacket. I'll just keep this. It was also a gift from somebody's. Oh, this jacket was unfortunate. I don't know what happened, but something must have snagged it in the wash and it got like a hole right here. But I also literally didn't wear this for like the year leading up to it, so I'm gonna get rid of it. I'm gonna get rid of this too. Aw, this was my first piece of designer clothing ever buying. I think my only piece of designer clothing ever buying. Keep it. Alright, now, okay, so in the middle I have this kind of like area that I originally was like the overflow kind of t-shirts, but it's definitely just kind of become like the overflow of just everything. So I'm gonna really quickly go through that just off camera because it's just a bunch of t-shirts and stuff that's like really not interesting, and then I'm gonna move into the pants and then we'll be done. Hey Alexa, play by Cupcake. Get in focus, please. I'm exhausted. I've been doing this for probably, I think, 2 hours. So I'm just gonna really quickly go through the pants as well. Generally speaking, I only wear black jeans and I have a bunch of not black jeans. So I'm very curious to see what I keep. I actually have 2 of the identical pairs of these, but I think I wear them a lot, so I'm just gonna keep these as well. Are not flattering. I don't like these. Getting rid of them. I remember the one time I tried denim shorts, never again. These are literally see-through. Why have I held onto them for so long? I've never worn them. These are ugly, getting rid of them. These are ugly. I got these from H&M. They felt like the cheapest, most paper-like pants ever, but they've kind of turned soft. I like them. I'll keep them.
I don't want to take any of this with me.
These still have the tags on them, and they are so unflattering. These are going bye-bye. Do these still have tags on them too? Did I just like buy pants and like forget about them? I'm gonna keep these. These are a statement pant. I got these from Goodwill and love these. Gonna keep these, but I never really wear them just because they're kind of old, but I feel like I'm gonna wear them a lot more in the future, just not now. And last but not least, there are these kind of like green teal pants. Wow, these are really on their own. Yeah, I'll keep these. All right. Oh, so now it's time for the closet reveal. This is such a promising start and I am so happy that I did this and this was so needed. I'm editing this video and like it just makes me really sad. Like I don't know, like I'm just like, oh, like I feel like I just have to remember that like donating clothes is better for the environment, and like having all of these clothes just sitting here really isn't good for me or the environment or anybody, so I might as well just donate them and let other people benefit from them. I don't know, I feel like I just kind of have like a special attachment to clothes. Like I don't know, like this is hard for me. Again, I'm not throwing any of these away. I am donating them, recycling them, and giving them to people who I know personally who would want them. So yeah, other than that, thank you so much for watching. I do really hope that you liked this video. If you did, make sure to go down there and hit that thumbs up button, and also subscribe for part 2, because part 2 is gonna be like the finished reveal where I go through all of like my shoe collection, and I have over like 50 pairs of shoes, so you don't want to miss that. That's riveting. All right, and other than that, thank you so much for watching. I do really hope that you like it. I had a lot of fun doing this, and this was definitely so needed. So bye.